students, today you are getting and you are going to learn a new rhyme. The rhyme is aeroplane, aeroplane high up in the sky. So follow me for making the action and expression. So make your hands like that way. Yes, and make one aeroplane. Okay, let's start. Aeroplane, aeroplane high up in the sky. All the children say goodbye when it's passing by. Helicopter, helicopter high up in the sky. All the children say goodbye when it's passing by. Balloon, balloon, hot air balloon high up in the sky. All the children say goodbye when it's passing by. Okay, so follow this tune, action and expression. Thank you. Bye-bye.